Michigan's term limits for state legislators are some of the toughest in the nation, and now 8 former lawmakers want to get rid of them. They have filed a lawsuit asking a federal judge to block the law. Fox 47's Christiana Ford dug into their lawsuit and has the story.
Michigan is one of only 15 states with limits on how long legislators can stay in office. 2 terms in the Senate and 3 in the House for a combined 14 years.
I generally oppose them being that short because I think that it empowers lobbyists.
Those term limits resulted in 25 of the state's 38 senators being forced out of office last year.
I'm biased. If someone's in term that I disagree with, then I want to put a limit to the term. But if someone is promoting the interests of me, my community, my demographic, I surely want them to be in term for seemingly infinity.
Now a group of former Michigan legislators are trying to change that, calling Michigan's current term limits the strictest in the land.
And we think when you've got the shortest term limits in the nation combined with this very harsh lifetime ban, that goes too far.
They filed a lawsuit claiming the term limit law unfairly bans experienced politicians and makes governing ineffective.
Your skills develop as you do anything longer, and you are more effective at it. And that's what we're after here, is an effective legislature.
Voters passed an amendment to the state's constitution adding term limits back in 1992. Opponents say that would be the correct way to change the term limits again through the voters instead of the courts.
I think it's disgraceful for legislators who swore to uphold the Michigan Constitution to admit that their position is unpopular with voters and then go and ask the federal courts to overturn our laws. That's just wrong on so many levels.
Christiana Ford, Fox 47.
The lawsuit only deals with the legislative branch and would not affect the governor, secretary of state, or attorney general. They're each limited to 2 4-year terms. If the court sides with the lawmakers, it would be left up to the current legislature and governor to replace the limits or get rid of them completely.